Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to remove echo in Audacity. So in order to do this, first of all open your Audacity application. Now after opening your Audacity application, you can simply record an audio or import an audio from which you want to remove the echo. After you have your audio, you will have to first of all select your audio. Now click on the effects option at the top of the screen, choose noise removal and repair and click on noise gate option. You'll have to make sure that these matches your settings. So we have select function as gate, stereo linking as link stereo tracks, gate threshold as -40, gate frequencies 0, level reduction -24, attack 10, hold ms 50 and decay ms 100. Make sure you have the exact same settings. You can also click on preview and see how your video is going to sound like after the editing is done. Now, after you're done, you can simply click on the apply button at the bottom right corner. Now, you'll have successfully removed the echo from your audio. And if your audio still has the echo, you'll have to simply left click your mouse button, select the part of audio which is silent and click on effects option at the top. Now choose noise removal and repair and click on noise reduction. Now select get noise profile. Now select the whole audio, select effects again, choose noise removal and repair and select noise reduction again. Now click on the OK button here, and after you click on OK, the echo from your audio will be removed. So that's how you can remove echo in Audacity. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.